Hey, we're at the Robinson Town Center. It's May 25th. It's the first cruise of the year for us. It used to be a pretty big cruise over this way, but in recent years, I don't even know if they've had the cruise. But I'm glad to see they're bringing it back. So let's take a look around, see what's here.
That was our excitement.
That's nice. It's a great resto mod. It's like everything looks the same, but the air suspension, the modern motor. See on the the marks on there, those are like the swirl marks from machine polishing, but that's what I was saying the glaze would take out. Oh, you rarely see these Aero Gran Torinos. Is that nice? I love that interior. Pardon?
I love the door handles and the
Is that like a bellet?
seat with
Now the real minis. That would fit in the back of the van.
yeah.
We're right by the airport, so we do get a lot of planes flying over. I just stared right into the sun trying to get that on there. I have no idea.
You got it, I saw it.
Okay. It's nice. Now between the SS and this one, which do you think which would you have more fun with?
But probably this one.
This
Yeah,
one?
Definitely.
See, little hidden motor.
This might be the type of pop-out things we're looking for.
The pop-out things?
Hey, let's go look in there.
Hmm?
We gotta go look in there.
Okay. There's a pop-out thing.
Those.
Okay.
Is that?
I think that's a switch of some type, don't you?
Yeah, but look, it's locked in the extended position.
Okay.
Oh no. Oh, DeLorean.
Oh, really? Oh, we'll have to see who that is. It's a nice touch. The flames on top of the oil filler. Oh. Can't tell if I... Okay, no more pictures of the sky. I can't tell if I'm getting them on the frame or not. Classic hot rod style here. See how you have the header pipes that can dump directly out when you uncap them? And see, this one here has the same thing with the turn down. Oh, this is cool. No idea what that is. Do you? GW?
Like baby food pink.
The boat tail.
And he says, I see no evil.
Very small little boxer engine. I wonder if this is homemade. You see, like the reason I'm saying is like coilovers. You have a double wishbone suspension. We have that tube frame in the bottom, which is something more than anybody would have had at the time.
It's not original in that.
Wow.
I think it's just heavily modified.
Yeah. Oh, interesting for sure. What do we got over here? Okay, maybe I get this guy in frame here. There we go.
Here, you gotta.
So Zach,
Yes.
what do you think about using those lapel mics and doing live?
That could be fun.
We don't have to edit.
No, no. What if you want to publish it after? You might want to edit it.
You can cut things out, but you lose if you cut any content out. You lose the chat. But I don't know if anybody's really looking at the chat. for that anyway. That's sweet.
Not if you use some streaming software to put the chat on screen.
How much space is back there? Pardon?
Use some streaming software to put the chat on screen. So that way it won't be lost when you cut it.
Oh, that's true. That is true. Good thinking. Oh, we missed those two, or we'll get them back in the frame. Not even sure what they are. Ooh, an SS in midnight blue. Well, we're like directly over.
Yeah.
Now see the mat that's underneath the hood there?
Yes.
That's we can get that for your Valiant as well. It would have, I think, originally had it. That's Brian's over there. I like that red. Mm-hmm. It really catches the light. It's awesome. Like a lot of these, they're playing. These older trucks are getting loved now, and especially like this was a pretty rare truck with a crew cab. You didn't see trucks with like for family use back then. Usually if it was like a crew cab, it's because you had a crew. You know, it was for workers.
Let's go ahead and say out.
Yeah, we'll stop over a second.
So you doing?
interesting tablet and dash treatment there.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it for this cruise. We're gonna check out more cruises. We'll edit that out. Okay, that's it for the Robinson Town Center cruise.
We'll edit that out.
We'll edit that out. Okay. And my hair's everywhere too.
Okay, we're gonna have to do this whole. Yeah, it's fine. Never mind. Okay, gotta go this way then.
Okay, we're at.
Okay, that's not gonna work.
Hold on. Outro. Well, that's it for this cruise for Robinson Town Center. We'll be going to a lot of cruises throughout the season, so make sure to like and subscribe if you want to catch up with the latest Pittsburgh cruises. We'll see you next time.